eating at a Vietnamese restaurant called Loi. Is that right?
Yai Loi.
Super full. Now we're headed downtown.
Loving this store. It's called Anthropology.
Yeah.
So love it.
I was looking at things to do in Atlanta, and there was this search that came up, and it said the Gilbert House, and I freaked out. It reminded me of the Vampire Diaries, because they filmed the Vampire Diaries here in Georgia, so I was like, oh my gosh.
Down by the river, I was drawn by your grace into chapters of oblivion.
So we finally made it to our hotel. Like, what is it? 12:05 a.m. I'll be singing at a party tomorrow night. So right now I'm just chilling in the hotel. The TV blasting.
beautiful beaded.
Oh, I shouldn't say that.
All the Liberace, Marie Antoinette, Great Gatsby themes into your
We just finished eating at a Vietnamese restaurant. I know this is so awkward. I hate doing this. We just
You can laugh and say it, and then keep it as is.